In this video, we'll show you how to add a new cloud user. Unlike local users who need an on-premise connection, cloud users log in using their email credentials. First, click the Login to Hanwha Vision Cloud and log in with your email credentials. Instead of connecting at the federal level, make sure to access the individual system level. You can confirm the system status and view the current user list under Settings. To add a new person, choose the Cloud User option. Now go to the Users menu and click Add User. Simply enter their name and email address. They will receive an email letting them know they've been added to the account. Next, assign a role. In this case, we'll select Viewer. This grants them standard access to specific devices and layouts. Since I'm logged in as a super admin, I have the access to change roles from viewer to operator or admin. Your options for changing roles will vary based on your current access level. If you need to revoke access, just select the user and click Remove.